Hey everyone, it's Michael from SB Repair Company, and today I have a PlayStation 4 Pro to work on. It is in for repair because it is broken. Just like everything else that comes through here. It's always broken. No one just ever brings me presents. You know? They always bring me broken things. Say, fix it, Michael, just fix it. So this PlayStation 4 is broken. Can anyone guess what is wrong with it? Anyone guess what's wrong with it? I'll tell you what's wrong with it. Of course, the HDMI port. So somehow these things that are put on tabletops or TV stands or what have you, they just get knocked off the TV stand somehow, and the HDMI cord is still plugged in, and they just get destroyed. So let's go ahead and open it up and get to work. Looks like we're gonna need to do a little cleaning too. Oh, there's the motherboard. On my desk. Low melt solder on the ground pins. Fume extractor is on. Extracting all the fumes. Low melt being applied. Being careful of all surrounding components. Proper procedure. Nice. Good. Using a BC2, Hackle BC2 tip. It's got like a little, it's concave. There's like a little dip in it. So I can like just go right over these pins. And it gets them nice and hot. It does its job. Maybe this is the better tip for this. You know, you gotta use the right tip for the right job. And I do like the chisel tip, but I like how this one just gets right over the post. And gets right over the post, and it's nice. It's that low melt on there. Really good. right, so now that we have the HDMI port replaced on this PlayStation 4 Pro, let's go ahead and fire it up and see if we have an image. Okay, there's our blue light. Well, that wasn't good. There we go. There's our white light, which means we should see something on the TV soon. Damn it. All right, so after a little convincing, I was able to get the PlayStation 4 Pro to boot up all the way and display an image, but now I found another issue with it. There is a CD stuck in the disk drive, so I can get the disc out of the Blu-ray player, but then it's up to the customer if they want to have a new disk drive installed or just use it as a digital system. So let's check out the image. So that is the weird noise you were hearing, but there we go, PlayStation logo. Alright everyone, so that concludes our video on the PlayStation 4 Pro HDMI port replacement. I need to get back to work and get the Blu-ray disc or the game out of the Blu-ray player, and maybe I will be replacing it here in the future. If I am, I might be doing a video on that as well, so stay tuned for that. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel to check out more videos like this, and thank you guys for watching again. Have a great week, and I will catch you on the next one.